Welcome to Options Trading Authority. It's a quick video showing you some of the newer products that have been developed. And some of these new products are new options trading signals. Okay, so we have some different services here now. Okay, so you say, what's an options trading signal? These signal services will send you out an email of an entry, stop loss, and exit, and the option based on the trading system, the underlying trading system. So you don't have to go figure out what the trading system is doing. The options trading signal service will do that for you, and it will just send you the trade. So also, a signal service is good because it keeps a person focused. Okay, so you have a signal service, you get the trading emails. You get the trading emails according to the system. So then, therefore, you have this professional progression going on, reminding you this is the mind state. This is the systematic progression, the progressive steps that need to be done in order to make money professionally over time. These days, it's hard to focus for most people, right? Not only are there so many distractions, there's so many opportunities. There's so many cool things one could get into, right? But with making money, we have to be a little bit boring, okay? We have to be a little bit methodical. You could even say that's how it is with a job, right? We can't just go by how we feel or if we're inspired from day to day. That's not how money works. Okay, money works through a methodical, systematic approach where you do certain things over and over that tend to produce the money, right? So with trading, we have to do these certain things over and over that put us in these very good probability positions for making money. Now, the money in trading is made over time through a cycled series of trades. So let's just say you have a mindset or a picture set of 10 trades. So by thinking of trading this way, for every 10 trades, your method has to come out net profitable. Okay, I said an important word there, net. Okay, net profitable. You may lose a couple trades here. You may have 4 wins in a row. You may have a win loss. Okay, that's just how it goes sometimes. Sometimes you get on a very good streak in that 10 cycles. You could in that 10 trades in a cycle. You could win all 10 trades in a row, but probably not going to continue onwards, right? Things change in the markets, price action behavior changes, and so on. So if you can get a method where you're looking at every 10 trades and no matter what the market is doing, within those 10 trades, you're going to come out net profit, then you got a big winner. Okay, now you just need to adjust your position sizing in order to fit into those 10 trades, and you can make a ton of money over time once you find that series of trades where you know that you need to focus on just doing this series of trades. You need to have the perspective that the money is in the series of trades, not in this trade here or this trade there, and so on. Okay, so anyways, regardless, following these trading signals is an educational thing too. You're going to be able to pick up on what the system's doing and how, which options to trade and how to, get in according to what's going on the price chart and how to get out with profit and so on. So anyways, let's just get a quick scan here. All right, so Catapult. Okay, these are power trend trading signals. It's like low-hanging fruit types of trades. Just we should always be doing these catapults. Trend core is very powerful. It has a very good winning percentage too for these bigger moves that we can take advantage of riding with options. And this is another very powerful solid system that we could well, in my opinion, we should just all keep running all the time, right? And you can say that about all of these systems here. Okay, now this is a system that's based on a 5-day trade, and you just get out 5 days later. All right, so the entry is tuned in for an optimized 5-day exit. Okay, 5-day exit. All right, and you can go to each one of these off of Options Trading Authority, and you can just click on these and you can see more details about each. Stellar 9's powerful. Okay, you definitely want to be doing this. OTA core, super solid. All right, and okay, so OWP System E is very similar to Systems 5. We did tweak the system now, but it's very similar, but we kind of also wanted to change the name a little bit because different ad platforms feel that's a little tacky, right? Weekly paychecks. I mean, it's fun sounding, and that's the goal, right? That's the goal for the systems development. All right. So, hey, what's the end result we want? Hey, it'd be nice to have a weekly paycheck. So then we take that end goal and we start to reverse engineer. Okay, what are the great methods, great approaches to get us into this high probability scenario of making either an average weekly paycheck or some sort of definite weekly paycheck? Or, I mean, you can't say definite, but most highest of probabilities for having a weekly paycheck every week. How about that? Okay. Crusher 8, this is something that's super powerful. Okay, that's something you always want to be right. All right, and then this QQQ logo probably should have some more words to it. It's just a bunch of QQQ based trading systems. And that is there because it's just a popular asset these days. Okay, so those are some of the new products, which are signal services. And actually, you can see this logo here, besttradingsignals.net. That's where we have a bunch of new trading signal services, and some are wild new systems. Okay, they're really cool. And especially we've been developing onwards with the 1-day pop series, and some of these systems are ridiculously powerful. Okay, and you can go study those and check that out. All right, that's it with this video. Here's some Options Trading Authority new products here. You can go and come to the website and start to check out some of these solutions. And again, you have to ask the question, well, what if one worked for you? What if 2 work for you, or 3? And so, then asking that question, then you can start to see, hey, let's go look at the track record. What if I was able to do this with 1 contract, with 10 contracts, with 100 contracts? You start to add up the math, right? And then, then when you start to see the potential results, then you can start to think, one would start to think, hey, I should probably do a little bit more diligence. I should investigate this more. I should, contact these guys at Options Trading Authority and ask them some questions. Hey, what do you need to know? All right, and then with these signal services, at least as of this recording, we've priced them pretty low, just based on the economy. But we hear the economy is going to get really good pretty soon, so we'll see. But take advantage of any sort of good pricing, and if you have a certain price, then you get to keep it in the future. Okay. Anyways, Options Trading Authority. You can just go click on the products. You can see this products all there, and then ask us questions. Join our newsletter, and you can reply to our newsletter to find out more at any time. All right. Thanks.